Hi dear customers, this is Casey from Guangzhou QQ Company. In this video, I'd like to share some information to you about the SS plating. So now, please see here. This zipper is anti-brass color, and this zipper is like a silver color, anti-silver color. They are not made by the plated way, they are made by lacquer way. Because nowadays in China, no factory can make the plated very well for the SS zipper. Our company also is studying for this one. After 1 month, 2 months, maybe it come out. At that time, I will share this information to you. But now you see the anti-brass color made by lacquer way. Also, this made by lacquer way. So it's made by the lacquer machine and the lacquer. Let me show you from here. Okay, so the lacquer machine similar this one. Okay, so by this lacquer and the lacquer machine, we make this zipper out. If you want to get more details about the color, which color we can make, and you want to know how about is the lasting time, you're welcome to contact us. Thank you.